This is my new sand art kit. Want to craft with me? Today's craft is Ultimate Color Fill Sand Art Kit. 11 colors of sand. 2 golden dark and 1 glitter. 8 sand containers. I can't wait to do the shooting star. The funnel, and I chose pink first. Ooh.
And then you just got done doing the shooting star, right? That turned out great.
Yeah, how does it look? I'm doing the heart next. I'm doing silver, white, and pink, and green.
Lots of blue. Very pretty.
We're going to use the design tool.
And what does that design tool do?
Pushes the sand down.
To kind of like give designs in the layers, huh? Ooh, very nice. We don't want to do it too much, otherwise it'll just look like we mixed it, right? It's okay to make messes when you're crafting, right?
Like my heart. Do the star next.
The star, and do you know what colors you're thinking?
I'm thinking like purple, red, and red, white, and silver.
Alright, we're starting a new one, and you're starting with red.
Now I'm doing green because I'm going to make the rainbow.
Oh, it's stuck for some reason. There you go, you got it.
Oops.
Perfect.
I'm mixing green and blue to make turquoise.
So then we want a lot of each color so that we can, see what the new color is when we mix them. Alright, so this is before we shake it up. Now, Evie, shake it up. So there's the turquoise that Evie made. So the only problem with shaking it up is it did get a little bit of the residue everywhere. So it looks a little cloudy, but maybe it'll make the shell look like it's kind of shining. Alright, using the design tool again. Thought that would be pretty on all these different layers. And then make sure you get over on this side too. So yeah, spin it. Ooh, that does look nice.
Oh.
Alright. Wow. I like it.
I'm going to do the lips next.
Alright, what colors are you going to use for the lips?
I think white, pink, blue.
Nice.
Do you like them? We're starting on the P side. We're adding light purple. Last, we're doing the flower.
Doing the flower last. And that's all the white.
Oh.
Spin it around. Oh, very nice. It's looking really good. All right. All right, Evie, tell us about your sand art kit.
I like this one because all the different colors going to this side, and the bottom are just flat. And I really like this one because all the different colors. And this I like that only 3 colors fit, but that is still so cool.
That one's a shooting star. I think that we did that one great.
I like this one because all different colors, we were able to fit a lot of different colors in this one, was just so small. And I like this one because it's a seashell, and we were able to make turquoise.
Yep, and pretty designs in that one, right?
And I like this one because it's the heart.
Yep.
And I like this one because the cool designs on the flower.
So now this kit was much larger than the last
Yeah.
one. As you see, here's 3 of them from the last kit that we got. I feel like these colors are a little bit brighter, and it's just a bigger kit. We also ended up with a lot of leftover sand. We could easily fill 1 or 2 more of these size containers with it. So what do you think? Was this great?
This was the greatest video I had.
Oh, you like this one the best. All right. And then what do you have to say to everybody?
Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for crafting with me. Glow in the darks
And 1 glitter.
and 1 glitter.
Drop them.